Passionate Gardener, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you my garlic growing in my allotment. I just done the watering. You can see how healthy they are growing. They are very big in size. Stem is very strong. Growth is healthy. So I'm going to tell you everything I have done to grow this healthy garlic. So what I have done, first of all, the planting time. So I did around end of October to early November planting. So that led the plants to start sprouting, start little bit of that size, like maybe 4 or 5 finger, and then the December, January overwintering. That heavy wintering give the plant to develop the root system stronger. And then what I have done, like initially no fertilizer because let them grow. On the March I have done fertilizer first time. It's 777 NPK. So, and you can use organic fertilizer like your compost, chicken manure, all those things. So that fertilizer step is very important in the March, mid of March to early March, because that's the key growing season. As soon as the heat start rising, and the plant is going to grow longer, and that's the trigger of this big plant. And now it's growing further, so around June or May, I think around May, I'll apply further fertilizer, and I'll share more video about it, and that will help the plant to grow bigger bulb, because this is the time they are growing more strong root system, more leaves, more cloves. So that's very important that they grow bigger, stronger, healthier. And that's, you say, like a lot of garlic. That's my full year of garlic. I don't need to buy any garlic anymore. Hope so. Expecting a very good harvest from this. And other important things like watering and weeding. You can see my areas are clean, mostly weed free. There are very few weeds which I clean time to time. Maybe every 1 or 2 weeks time I came and have a look. If there's some weeds, small weeds like this, you can see like few weeds are here. I done the watering, so they'll be easy to plug in. So I just take this through hand sometimes I use some tools, gardening tools, to take them out. So weeding is important as well, because they will eat most of the nutrition if you don't weed, clean the weeds properly. You can see my plants are clear from weeds. And watering also, like it's not regular. What I do, watering like every week or 2 weeks, depending on the weather conditions, soil conditions. So my soil was a bit dry, so I did the watering today, did a deep watering, so that stay for a few, maybe a week close to, because now it's summer, lot of heat. So just giving some on off watering. So that's really it. Like they will grow tall, they will, and I think July I'll be harvesting them, or August, and I'm expecting very big self bulb, and it's going to store them. So stay connected. I'm going to share more videos about garlic and other gardening tips like onion and potato and everything. I have all here. I'll share more videos. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening, Passionate Gardener.